Now, in this video, we will explain to you about starting the motor in a left right hand automatic delta star delta. If you want this program to work automatically and change from star to delta after 5 seconds, you should use these two star delta timer models to automatically change from star to delta. Of course, if you use a PLC, you don't need to use this timer anymore, and you use the PLC timer. The program was manual. When we start the motor in a left hand direction, the motor was star and then manually turned into the delta. Again, when we start the motor clockwise, the motor was first star and then manual turn into the delta. I thought you this completely in the previous video. Now we want to automatically change the circuit from a star to delta and do this with the timer inside the PLC. If we didn't have a PLC, you should have used this star delta timers, or we should use the timer inside the PLC. To use the timer, we need to add a program line. So when output Y2 is activated, put a timer here and it will start counting. The timer starts after 5 seconds and this contact is removed here and the timer T0 is placed in the displays. Now we change the program and add a program line. So when output Y0 is activated, timer T0 will be activated after 5 seconds. And put a T0 in the next line. Now we download the program on the device. Okay. We put the program in online mode. Now if we activate the left turn input, the left hand and start contactor is activated and change the delta after 5 seconds. I will stop and start clockwise. Right hand and start contactor is activated and change the delta after 5 seconds. Of course, there is an uh, error in the program. We have an error in the right hand mode that we need to fix. Okay. If we activate the left hand input, the left hand and start conductor is activated and changes to delta after 5 seconds. If we enable a right hand input, right hand and start conductor is activated and change it to delta after 5 seconds. This conductor is right hand and star and delta respectively. We no longer use a star delta timers. We use the timer inside the PLC for star and delta, which reduce the volume of our wiring and use less elements inside the panel. If you have a question about this topic, you can ask in the comments. Thank you.